Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's morning of the last day in New York. Our program for today, our plan is full of different things. We will go to Columbia University, to Central Park, to Top of the Rock, to Hard Rock Cafe. This is the view from the window, but usually it's better. In 30 minutes we need to depart from our hotel, but I wanted to make my hair and now I will do this, and I needed to do my makeup and to eat breakfast, and let's hope I will be in time. We were waiting for a lift for 10 minutes. We are late for 15 already. I went breakfast, I took breakfast. Waiting for forever. Look at the weather, so awful. My curls are dead. The reality, that's the reality. It's beautiful, yeah, but under my feet it's like swimming pool. Don't like. We're still going. I already put my jeans like this because it's impossible. Impossible. Up. I'm with this guys.
Around Lower Manhattan station entrances, many of these now have steel doors that can take 10, 12 feet.
We walked across the lunar surface, collect from Earth itself.
Where are we going? Macy's? What's that? A department store. Do you think it's Starbucks there? Maybe. I want Starbucks to buy a cup, you know, New York. Starbucks everywhere here. I don't see, you know? As for me, it's like I don't see Starbucks at all the corners. Okay, this is a small interview. How are you feeling to be in New York?
New York is like the best. I don't want to go back to Romania. I want to stay here.
Of course, it's no school, shopping, and food.
Yeah.
And today's my last vlog. Yay, we go shopping!
Hello, can I please have a cinnamon caramel cream cold brew and also this cup? Polina. Thank you.
This is like so good. Amazing. I'm like... Annie, what did you order? It looks so good. Is it good?
So, yeah, it's good.
This is Columbia, right?
No. Columbia University.
Oh, thank you. So, a small interview. Which university is better, Columbia or Yale?
Well, I haven't seen Columbia.
By the first view, by the first atmosphere.
Is better than Yale. Yeah, but Columbia, I
Same.
feel it's better than Yale.
Really?
As the view,
like the atmosphere of, you know.
it's more compact.
Yeah. Look, it looks beautiful. But you see my hoodie. I'm a bit not in. It's Yale. No, yeah, I'm a bit not in the mood. Yeah. you feeling to stay here in Gucci glasses with the coffee and how you call? Cumpărați?
Cumpărături.
A bit of rich life in my vlog. Someone needs to bring it to my vlog. Yale or Columbia?
Yale, because I went to the conference.
Duncan. Look, there they have some classes there. Bro, I feel so sad for them. Classes, oh my goodness. Like Columbia University classes, guys, it's such a clickbait.
Mon université préférée, c'est Columbia Université.
Înțeles, mulțumesc frumos.
You guys switch language?
Yeah. Да, конечно, почему? В чем проблема? Я не понимаю. Like a polyglot. I'm speaking different languages near the Columbia University for somebody to hear me. And like, look, they have lessons. I don't know, can I film or no, but I'm sorry. Let's make a view that I'm filming you, but instead of it, I'm like... Wow. Teachers College. I'm in Yale hoodie. I'm in Columbia University bathroom. That's the content, guys. Look, this is the bathroom that you can visit in Columbia University. Times Square vibes.
Wander among every culture and tongue. It's chaotic, but Arabian night.
One more time. Alexandra, look here. Oh, but I put the camera in the right moment.
That's mine.
Boom. Dance. I want a beach. Margarita. Yeah. Margarita. Only her because she's rich. You see? Burberry. Yale University. Trying. I don't like. Not my style. I don't like chocolate. No. So bad.
One more bite.
Don't recommend. We literally went out from the Hard Rock Cafe. There was like there's a store at the last floor, and I went there, and it was so good music, and I started to dance. I was like looking on the things that I can buy there, and I'm just dancing, moving my body, la la la, and I look like everybody just look at me, and they started to clap. They started to smile. That I'm such a good dancer and something that was so cute. Love Hard Rock Cafe with all my heart. So beautiful. That is the last night in New York here. I don't know what do I feel because from one side I really like this trip because at the beginning I remember my feelings when I just stood in the airport, and I was so afraid and I was so nervous. Actually I was thinking that I would be too shy to film, but I should film because I really want, and it's a great opportunity to make some videos and content. On the other side, every day I connected more and more with the guys, and now I feel like they're so close to me, even if we are not friends or we don't speak that much, but we go together in the hotel, we go out of the hotel, we meet with some guys near the lift, we go together breakfast, we eat, we are at the same situation, and we are like the big one family who needs to survive during the trip. I didn't experience something like this, and actually I met so many people. And I spoke with some guys whose experience is cool and so useful to know. I was so happy to be a part of this trip, even if I felt sometimes kind of lonely. Like from one side, it's wow, New York, a dream and a trip without parents. But from the other side, it's so complicated because I need to take care of myself. I need to be responsible. I am. But I'm always nervous that I will forget something, deal with some problems, some situations. Tomorrow is my last. Amy, you're good?
Yeah.
So, I really like this vibe. I'm so sad to lose this vibe. This is the last night view from this window. I'm finishing this vlog with packing my suitcase because it's full of presents to my family. Bye bye! Amy, say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye girl!